Welcome to Knowledge Base. Let us solve this simple problem here. We are given this equation f of x equals 3x squared plus 2x, and we are to find f of f prime of 2. This is what it is. An equation is given to us in terms of x. We are given f of x to be this. The first we want to do is to deal with the inner bracket, which is f prime of 2. F prime simply means the derivative, the first derivative. So we are going to differentiate this expression once because the prime here is 1. If it was 2, we are going to differentiate twice. So this is saying differentiate this expression once and put 2 in the place of x. So let's start by differentiating f of x. If we differentiate f of x, which is now f prime of x, we are going to obtain, you take the power to multiply the coefficient. So 2 times 3 gives you 6x. You take 1 away from the power, 2 minus 1 will give you 1. So we have 6x raised to power 1. That 1 does not need to be written down. And that is what it is. If you differentiate 2x, you are going to obtain 2. If you differentiate the coefficient of x, you are just going to obtain. If you differentiate an unknown with a coefficient, you are just going to obtain the coefficient. You just take away the variable. So the derivative of 3x squared plus 2x is 6x plus 2. That is the first derivative. What it means is that if we want to find f prime of 2, we simply put 2 in the place of x in f prime of x. So let's put 2 in the place of x. We put 2 in the place of x, which is 6 times 2 plus 2. So f prime of 2 will be equal to 12 because 2 times 6 is 12 plus 2, and that is 14. What it means is that we can replace the inner bracket with 14 and we'll be left with f of 14. So f of f prime of 2 simply means f of 14. F prime of 2 is 14, so we just put 14 here. Now to find f of 14 simply means put 14 in the place of x. So f prime of 14 will be equal to 3 into 14 squared, 3 into 14 squared because x is 14, plus 2 times 14 because x is 14, we put 14 here. Solving this further, we have 3 times 196, 14 squared gives 196, plus 28, 2 times 14. This will give us 588, 3 times 196, plus 28. The summation will give you 616. What it means is that f of f prime of 2, which is what we are looking for, is equal to 616. This is the answer to the question. Very simple and straightforward. If you understood it, then try this simple one. Find the value of f of negative 2 if f of x is 7x raised to power minus 2 minus 6. Put your answer in the comment section and I'll be there waiting for you. Thank you for watching this video. Do share it to your learning colleagues and friends, like and follow our page, subscribe to our YouTube channel if you are watching us from YouTube, and hope to see you in our next video.